This is the triangle when the guy gets greedy to smash you, okay? Conditions, cross face and controlling the leg. He has the arm in the middle. So here I have my frame here, like I'm shooting the sky, right? So basically here I push my head against the ground, stiff the arm that's on the head and block the other arm. Try to put your arm back. I squeeze my knees too. You see that? He's trapped. Now as I'm doing this, look what I do. My leg goes out and pushes in. Oh yeah. Now for here I anchor, okay? You have to make sure that your heel touches your leg. Now stiff your leg, cross it, and here all she wrote. You have the triangle, and if it doesn't cooperate, stretch a little bit and go also for a number. Uno más. So the guy's on top of you, and a lot of times, real quick, the guy's gonna be here, and then you try to move, he grabs your leg, try to smash you. Squeeze your knees or lift your knee up, pull your arm back. Yeah, you see, don't let it go anymore. You grab the other arm, pull your arm back. Don't let go. Stiff the arm against the leg and head, okay? And now here, look, as you go, roll your knee in, get the triangle tight. Now here, lock it and squeeze it. Yeah, and then here, if you want to go a little harder, you slide the forearm, crutch, and put pressure on the arm as well. Have fun.